Just use this to rub your palm in the morning, and you'll be surprised with the result. Hello, you are welcome to my channel. My name is LOOKMAN. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some power pack ingredients that you can combine together to make your own favor oil. You call it favor oil, you can call it good luck oil, you can call it attraction oil, you can call it power oil. It depends on how you want to look at it and the name you want to give to it. But it is simply a favor soap, because you are going to be using it to attract favor. You are not going to be drinking this oil. You are not going to be rubbing it on your body. You are just going to be using it to rub your palm, and you are going to be using it in the morning. So, what are the ingredients? We are going to be using 3 power packed ingredients. The ingredients on themselves, each of the ingredients has its own attractive power. It attracts favor, money, good luck to you. We are going to be using coconut. You can see coconut. This is coconut. And the coconut we are going to be using is the water. So you get a fairly big one, not so big, can be medium, just very big, that has water. You can see is the water we are going to be using. Then the second thing we are going to be needing is honey. We are going to be needing honey, original honey. Now, then the third thing we are going to be using is our secret perfume. Bint El Sudan, a secret perfume. So those are the 3 ingredients, and you know that the 3 ingredients, all of them have attractive power. They attract things, good luck, favor to you. So if you have been desiring a good job, you have been desiring a suitor. Some people are 40, 50, they don't have anybody, don't have a suitor. Or you have a business and things are not moving. You are a contractor, you work on contracts, things are not doing okay. You have a shop and your business is not moving fine. Or you work online, things are not actually moving well for you. You can use this oil. It's very, very effective. This oil has been my go-to, number 1 go-to. I don't joke with it. It has worked for so many. But the only problem is a lot of people find it difficult to do. But once you can do it, it's going to work for you. It's going to work wonders. So, how do you prepare it? 1, you can see you are not going to be breaking it to get the water. You are going to be piercing the 3 eyes. The coconut have 3 eyes. You can see 1, 2, 3. It has 3 eyes. So you are going to be piercing one of the eye. Look for a sharp object, a screwdriver or something, an object that is sharp enough. Then you use it to pierce open one of the eyes, because the 3 eyes is actually, one of them is actually very soft. So look for the one, just the one that you can do easily. It will pierce. Once you pierce it, then you collect the water from it. Please don't break it. You are not breaking it. You are opening one of the 3 eyes. Then you collect the water from it into a glass bowl or a glass cup. Look for a glass bowl or a glass cup. Don't use plastic cup. You can use it, but I don't want you to use it. It's better to use glass cup or glass bowl. Just collect the water. Once you collect the water, get 1 spoon of honey. Just get 1 spoon of honey and put into the coconut water. Stir it very well. Stir it with the spoon very well. Stir it very well. Once you stir it very well, then you get the secret perfume, the Bint El Sudan. Just get 1, 2, 3 drops, 3 drops of Bint El Sudan. Just drop it into the mixture, then take everything and get a bottle, get a plain bottle. Please don't use glass bottle because it's powerful. Don't use glass bottle. You are using a plastic bottle, something like this. You can get something like this. You can get something that is not as big as this. Just get a very but it must be dry. That is the warning. The plastic must be dry. The container you want to use, the bottle that you want to use, is not glass bottle. It should be plastic bottle, and it should be dried. No water inside, no sign of water. It should be dry. Then you pour the mixture, that is the coconut or the water, the honey, and the drop of Bint Sudan. You mix together, then you pour it into the plastic. You pour it into the container, and that is just about it. So once you do that, just pray into it. Just pray. Just say whatever you want. But normally it attracts goodness to you. It attracts favor, good luck. Good things will come to you. Good people will come to you. People who will help you, who will assist you, will come to you. Suitors will come. Continue to use it every day. Don't apply it on your face. It's just your palm. Yes, that's one of the secrets in spirituality. If you are not applying it on the face, you are not applying it on your body. You are just applying it on your palm. Just rub your palm. Just use it to rub your palm. Just use it like this to rub your palm in the morning while going out. And that is just about it. You use it in the morning while going out. Just go and use it. You see wonder. There is no way that you go out and use this and good things will not follow you. The only thing that will not make this thing to work for you, the only thing that will not make it to work is when you have negativity, or when you are the type that does not give. Give, even if it is little, give. Then again, if you have negativity, then you have to cleanse yourself of negativity. I've done videos talking about how to cleanse yourself of negativity. You can do well to watch that video. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. You are paying nobody. It is free. You pay nobody. Just click on the subscribe button. Then you can share and like this video. Then you can leave your comment. If you are not clear of anything, leave your comment and I will answer. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.